Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and ZIP files on your XIAOMI Poco F4 GT. So in order to do that, we'll need to get the RAR app, which we shown in our other video, and here now locate the file that you want to unpack, or the archive that you want to unpack, in other words, and mine is located in the CIM and then camera. You can see the pictures.rar right here. Now select the file that you want to unpack, simply click on it. It will ask you for the password. So if it's protected by a password, this one is, so I know the password, just gonna enter it. You can hide the password if you want, or remember it for a specific amount of time. So now let's press OK, and we'll get the access to all three files. Now in order to unpack them, you can press on this arrow pointing up button, and then all files will be unpacked. You can also select a specific amount of files that you want to unpack. So I'm just gonna select one and press unpack button. Here you'll be able to change options how the files will be unpacked. First option is to press on the browse, and you'll be able to pick where the files will go. So for me, it's gonna go for the movies. I'll be unpacking them right here. Press OK to save that, and the next option will be to change a few properties. The first one is to ask before overwrite without prom, or skip existing files. So I'm just gonna stick with skip existing files. Next thing is to enable or disable to keep broken files. Do not extract paths or display extracted files. So I'm gonna disable all of them and press OK. Now the file is unpacked, and let's move to the movies. Right here you can see the image that I've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.